In this video, I'll be showing you how to get 2 free $100 no deposit bonus. And in total, you'll get $200 no deposit bonus to trade and withdraw. Now, if you're thinking whether withdrawals can be made after trading, the good news is yes. A friend of mine withdrew his first profit from the first $100 bonus I'm going to show you. And then I personally have withdrawn from the second one, as you can see right here. Now, I've made research concerning the countries that are eligible to get these bonuses, and I realized that these two bonuses are available worldwide. The last no deposit bonus is my favorite because you don't need to verify your KYC documents before claiming it. Secondly, there are no lot requirement for withdrawals, and it's also easier to fulfill the terms and conditions for withdrawals from the broker. The broker is also licensed and verified by the FSCA, just like Exness, FBS, OctaFX, and other brokers. So withdrawals are guaranteed. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Emmanuel and I'm a Forex trader with more than 8 years of trading experience. I know how hard it can be for traders to be profitable in the Forex market when trading with real money. So I decided to create this channel to share amazing no deposit bonuses and other ways to make money online to you guys. Now do well to subscribe and activate the bell icon to stay updated on my future videos. With all that said, guys, let's dive in. I will be leaving the link to this website in the description box of this video. It will take you to the registration page of this broker. All you have to do is to fill in your information into the required fields and make sure they match with the information on your identity card. After filling out all the required informations and agreeing to their terms of service and you are sure they are 100% correct, click on this text below that says "Got a referral code." Once it expands, copy this code you are seeing on your screen and paste it into this box below. Cross-check and make sure the code is correct, then click the continue button below. A one-time password will be sent to your email address, so head over to your email account and copy the code sent there. This right here is my OTP that I just received right now. I'm going to copy it and paste it in the website and click continue button below. Once that is done, you may be asked to put in a passcode to secure the app whenever you want to log in. After completing that step, you will be redirected to your dashboard. And since you are new here, I'm going to show you how to claim your free bonus now. If this page popped up and you are not redirected to your dashboard, all you have to do is click the continue button below. A new MetaTrader 4 account will be created for you, and once the process has been completed, your login credentials will be visible to you on the next tab. Now copy these credentials and paste it in a safe place because you would make use of it very soon. Once that is done, click the arrow at the top left corner of your screen to take you to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you should see 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now click on it to expand. You can see there are several options right here, but the one we are interested in is the bonuses button displayed right here. Once you've done that, click on the first icon to get your free $100 no deposit bonus. On the next tab, you'll be asked to complete KYC before getting this bonus. But don't worry about that if you don't have KYC at hand and want to claim this free bonus account. I'm going to show you the next bonus that don't require KYC verification before claiming. If you have KYC documents at hand, click the green button below to start the procedure. When you get to this point, make sure you have your identity card ready. Once you're ready, click this green button and scan the identity card and then upload it. I've just uploaded my documents for verification and it's currently pending for approval. I'll be back once I'm verified. I'm back, guys. After 80 years of submitting my documents for verification, I'm finally verified. And if you're verified, you'll receive a green tick after your name. Now, click the No Deposit Bonus button. On the next tab, you are asked to choose an account you want to receive the no deposit bonus. After selecting the account, tick the Terms of Service button and click Continue to proceed. On the next tab, you'll be asked to leave a review and receive another free $1. I'm going to do that next time, but for now you can see I just received my own bonus, and it's the $100 they promised. I'm going to log into MetaTrader 4 right now to show you that it's 100% real account and not a demo account. Head over to your MetaTrader 4 app, click Manage Accounts button, and this tab would be displayed. Now click the plus icon at the top of your screen and click the Login to a New Account button below. On the search bar, type in the server name you copied and click the first broker. Now paste in the trading ID and password you saved earlier and click Login. As you can see, I'm successfully logged in and the free bonus is visible. If you also got this account, congratulations. But there are things you need to know that will guide you when trading this account to be eligible for withdrawals when you hit your profit target right here. But first, let me show you how to get the second account, so you can decide which one you want to go for. Before we proceed, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Okay, let's proceed. The second no deposit bonus is from this app, and the link to it will also be in the description box of this video. After launching the app, this interface will be displayed. I have withdrawn from this free account, and I'm very sure that you can withdraw from this broker. Now, to get your free bonus, click the 3 horizontal lines at the top of your screen. Once it expands, click on Login or Register button. Now, since you are new to this platform, click on the Register button to create a free account. Start by filling out all of these basic informations about yourself. This is the part most traders don't tend to pay attention to. Make sure your info are correct to avoid any rejection during withdrawals, or else all your hard work will end up varnishing. Now, this is where you need to pay very close attention to. On this referral code area, type in the code you are seeing right now on your screen, just like this. After typing the code, cross-check to make sure it is very correct, then agree to their terms and conditions by ticking this box below. And once you're done with all of these steps, click on the Register button. If everything is done correctly, you will be logged in successfully, and this is where all the magic happens. First of all, you can see I'm not yet verified, and also there are no bonuses that I have claimed before. So let's get one. Click the back button on your mobile device to return to your dashboard. Now, as you can see at the top of your screen, there is a $100 bonus icon at the left corner of your screen. Click on it and a review request will pop up. I want you to note that you are not receiving $10, but a $100 no deposit bonus. Now click continue and follow my actions step by step, because if you make mistakes, you won't be able to claim the bonus. If you get a second pop-up, click the first star at the right-hand side of your screen. You can leave a short comment if you like, then click submit. And that's it. The $100 will be credited instantly to your trading account. To check if your $100 bonus credited, click on the horizontal lines at the top left corner. And as you can see, guys, this is my own bonus I received right now. The terms and conditions for withdrawals will be on my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram community for the latest updates, and if you have any questions, please contact me through the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video so it gets to more audience. And with all that said and done, guys, see you on my next upload.